Remember when owning a car felt like freedom? Today, with record high insurance rates and gas prices over $4, that freedom comes with a shocking price tag. Let's break down the math. The average new car payment hits $748 per month, but that is just the beginning of your financial commitment to transportation. Beyond the loan, you face hidden costs like repairs, parking fees, and depreciation. In fact, these invisible expenses often make a car more expensive than you think. Now consider ride-sharing. While there is no monthly loan payment, every mile requires fuel and a fare, which can add up quickly depending on your daily commute distance. To decide wisely, you must factor in the long-term depreciation of the vehicle versus the variable costs of Uber or Lyft for your specific travel habits. For many Americans in 2025 and 2026, the convenience of an app has become cheaper than the burden of maintaining a vehicle that sits parked most of the time. The surprising truth is that for urban drivers with high mileage, relying on rideshare services might be significantly cheaper than owning a second vehicle. Weigh the expenses and convenience to make an informed decision. Do you think ride-sharing will replace car ownership in your city? Let us know in the comments.